Okay, next I'm going to do liquid eyeliner. This did not come in a Boxcharm, surprisingly. It's just the Kat Von D tattoo liner that in Trooper that literally everybody uses. So, here, let's see. I'm going to use my monitor to do it. I hope that doesn't get too messed up. Ah. And I think that's okay. And then I'll use my mirror this time. There's kind of a big difference. Crap. I have to get all up in the mirror or else I can't really do this. Okay, generally good enough. All right, then also something that I didn't get from Boxcharm, and that's this Pixi Woo Silky Eye Pen, and it is in Bronze Beam. Okay, so then I'll just use that on my bottom lid. Just so I have some definition down there, because usually my bottom lashes are pretty sparse. All right, and then to do my eyebrows. Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is the one with the retractable pen as opposed to the pencil. Usually I get the pencil because I think that it's more bang for your buck, but then I started thinking about that more. When you are sharpening the pencil, you lose some product when you sharpen it, and therefore maybe it's a wash, and this is easier and you don't have to worry about having sharp would get into your, like, or bother you. So we'll see about that. I think that I will probably just stick with this retractable pencil moving forward. So quick brush, not too big of a deal. And then, all right, so I did my eyelashes, I did my face, I did my eyebrows. Oh, okay, so now I have to do my mascara. So I just use my Shiseido. I was about to say Show Mirror because they're kind of, you know, whatever. So my Shiseido, and just pump it a few times. And I bought this a million years ago. It was like $15, I think, and now I think it's like over $20. So it's lasted me over 10 years. That's awesome. So now I'm gonna do, okay, so you guys remember this is from my February Boxcharm, and I was really excited about it. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Well, it worked really well for the first couple weeks, and now it's already a little clumpy. And I really think that mascara should last longer than a couple weeks in terms of still being juicy and loose and whatever, and not clumping. But, you know, whatever. It was all included in my box, so I don't mind. I'm really happy to have this mascara because I don't have anything else right now. And it's fine. I just add a couple coats. And then I use a comb to, if it's particularly clumpy and it bothers me. So I could sit and do mascara for a long time, longer than is really necessary. So this is good because I'm trying to get out the door. All right, so, okay. And then, I don't really put it on my lower lashes, but here we go. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, I did my eyebrows, I did my eyes, I did my mascara, I did my blush, and now I guess all that's left is, my lips. And oh, shoot. Can you bring me my lipstick? My jars of lipstick, babe? Babe? Hello? Can you bring me my jars of lipstick?
Jars of lipstick?
Yeah. Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a quick get ready with me video.
Yeah, it leaves them.
Yeah.
Something fell behind the toilet.
Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, so what will I do today for my lips? I need something kind of neutral. Oh, you know, I'll just do this. Probably doesn't really match, but I don't care. Oh, okay, thanks.
Oh,
okay. I just got this in my Kale Polished Lips and Tips, and it's the ColourPop Ultra Satin in November. Oh, I think I might be wearing November on my fingers as well. So, you know, this doesn't quite go. I don't care. It is what it is. I gotta leave. And it's pretty enough. So, yeah, I think it's the same lip color. But if you want that kale polish, you better get that fast because it's ending. And it will be no more, which is the same thing as it's ending. If you want to get that kale polish, you better get it fast. So, all right. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Okay.